Right. Good evening, Puta. So we'll start. Here, you all know that when you consider about the web page, there are two main parts. So what are the two main parts? The header section and the footer section. So here they have given a title. They have given a title as well as a body section is there. So we'll see how we can take the header and the body section. Okay. So when you consider about the web page, every time the web pages are starting with HTML. Then we are having two main parts, that is head section. So head you have to start, and on the head you have to display something. The title you have to give title. So here, whatever the title that you want, whatever the title that you want, you can display that title. And finally, you have to close the head. So in the header section only, one tag will be available, that is title. I have given Discipline Institute, then I have closed the title, right? Then header section finish. Then you have to go with the body section. So I'm starting body, right? Body. Inside the body, we are having a wonderful benefits of banana. So what you can do, you can take H1. Okay, H1. H1 is the biggest heading style. H1, align, equal, center. Right? And again, I'm using here the font tag. Font, okay, color, 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 U is not there. So green. Okay. Then here I'm using the title. Wonderful benefit of, check your, no, then I'm closing whatever the tag that I have started last, I'm closing now. Font, okay, font color only I have changed, font. Then I'm finishing the H1 heading. H1 heading I'm closing. Okay, so here I have showed you how to input a heading and center that heading. H1 is the tag that we are using to display a heading. Align center, with that it will center on the web page. So we'll see now. I'm going to save this one, file, save as. I'm going to GIT exam HTML. So question 1 dot HTML. So each and every web page we are saving with .html, q1.html. So I'm saving here. Okay. So can't we use just center? Yes. This is yes. You can use this one. Align. Yeah, center පාවිච්චි කරන්න පුළුවන්. Yes, center එක පාවිච්චි කරන්න පුළුවන්. But I am telling here, H1 is the tag, align is the attribute, and center will be the value. So we can center any heading or any paragraph with the help of align attribute. Okay, so I have used file save, so it's there. Now I'm moving to my page. GIT exams. HTML Q1. So I'm opening with Google Chrome. So you can see here, wonderful benefits banana. of banana. So on the title, you can see Sibling Institute. Okay, right? So what we have to do now? So that's okay. Right? Then you have to insert an image. So how you can insert an image? We have discussed on that day how to insert an image. So image you can insert how then this image also center img src equal, you have to give the path where you have stored the image, so that path you have to give. Okay, so I'll give the path, and I'm giving align equal center. So then the image will be sent on the page, right? Then here they have given adding a banana to your daily diet has an array of benefits in your body. So it has what? It is a paragraph, and it is like slanted. So we can use italic. So what should be the title of the first question? So the title, Puta, here wonderful benefit of banana. So I have taken institute name, right? So here I'm using, so after inserting the image, I'm using paragraph. Okay. So this paragraph, when you consider about the paragraph, right? I want to center that one also. Align equal center. Okay. Then I want to italic that. Okay. Whatever things that you're typing, I want to italic that. So you can see here, I'm going to this one, adding to your daily diet has an array of like this. I'm using this one, and I'm closing the paragraph /p. Okay, so I have started the paragraph, align center, italic. Then after finishing that, I have to I'm closing this one, body. Okay, but you can see banana helps. That part also there. So I'm saving now, file, save. So I'm going to my page. Going to my page and refresh. So this will be adding a banana to your daily diet has this thing. Okay. So here I'm for this one, I'm giving font size equal plus 3. Okay. So we'll see file, save, and you are going here, and so it has like a little bit bigger. So default size is there. For the default size, I have add 3. Default size, think the 12, I have add 3. So because of that, it has like the font size has increased. Now you can see here, it is like from here, benefit in your body. Adding a banana to your daily diet has an array of benefits in. In කියන තැනින් මෙතන කැඩිලා තියෙන්නේ. හරිද? එතකොට මම මෙතන පාවිච්චි කරන දේ තමයි in කියන තැනින් කැඩිලා නම් තියෙන්නේ. Has an array banana to your daily diet in. So here I'm using something called BR. Last week we have discussed about that. BR, what will happen? It will break the line and starting with the very next line. So I'll refresh. So you can see now adding a banana. So you can see here adding a banana to your daily diet has an array benefit in methanic kedua. Huh? Your body. Banana helps banana helps mata pallahata ganna one. So what I can do from here, I can use BR. Okay. So what will happen? It will break. Save. Banana helps. So it will go down. Right? One. But it is not centered. Why is this that? P align equals center E. So I'll save now and I'll refresh. So now you can see the things are centered. The things are centered. So here when you done this one, adding a banana to your daily diet has an array of benefits. Your body, in your body, then banana helps. So that has centered. Okay. But now here in this question, you all can see that your the paragraph has started with the left align. So because of that, what you can do here, this one has to start with this left side. So I can take my notepad and here BR, behalf of BR, what will happen? It will break and starting from the very next line. Nah? So what I'm doing, Control X, I'm starting a new paragraph. Okay, I'm starting a new paragraph and here I'm just giving banana helps and I'm closing P. So with the P, what will happen? It will leave a line, not like the BR. It will leave a line and starting from the next line. So I'm refreshing. So you can see here, not like BR. So with BR, what will happen? It will break and starting from the very next line. But here we have given a P. So now you can see a line space is there. Banana helps. What no, either page yeah. Okay. Now on here, what you need, loss of weight, keep some 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. So default, if you want to take this list, that is we are calling as ordered list. OL is ordered list. OL, ordered list. So I'm giving type is equal. I need 1, 2, 3. Type equal 1. So I can give, I'm using LI. Whatever the things that you want to type, I'm giving here Sumedha. Okay, then closing LI. LI means what? List items, ne? That we have discussed. So whatever the things that you want, you can type. I'm giving my name. So again, I'm closing here LI. Right? LI. Charles. I'm closing LI. Then again, I'm giving LI list item. Here I'm giving Apu Hame. So closing that too. Then after finishing everything, I'm closing OL. Okay, here you have. Right? So after we have done this, we have to save, file save, and refresh here. So you can see 1, 2, 3. So may this one be now see the same font size is applying here. Why? We haven't finished like this font we have applied and we have not finished. So if I have closed that font from here, it is applying only for the specific thing. Okay, closing font, file, save, then refresh. Here you can see now the font size has affected to only for this paragraph. Okay, rest of the things I have like use the default font, right? No need. Just you have to write the code. Okay, you all don't want to code with me. If you can write the code, that's enough. Okay, for the exam, they're asking to write the code. Okay, or fill the blanks. Right now here on the last question I have given how they have given. Okay, so like this they are giving some kind of numbers 1, 2, 3. So what you will have to do, you have to fill these things. Okay. What is one? One is title. What is two? It can be a heading H1 like that. It will be like how you have to fill the things. Okay. So here we have used the ordered list. Then it is like kind of bold. Okay. Kind of bold. Ne? Not like others. It is bold. So what you can do, you can go to your this one, right? So wherever you are using. So here I'm giving B for bold. Now we'll see why file save and refresh. So you can see it has bold, right? So that text bold up to the last one. Bold and italic also apply. Bold and italic. So what you can do, you can use B as well as you can use I. Okay. After finish the ordered list, I can close the B and I can close the I. So B for bold, I for italic. So you can file save and you can refresh. So now you can see it has bold and italic too. Then you are having some kind of bullet points. So the same thing I am going to use. What I'm going to do, here I'm going to take a copy of this one, right? Copy. So I don't want to bold that, right? So behalf of OL, I'm using something called UL. UL type equal, I'm using disk. Okay, disk. So this one. So here, after finishing everything, you have to close the unordered list, UL unordered list. So you don't need bold italic. I'm removing that. Right now, I'm going to save, file, save, and refresh. So you can see it has applied. Sumedha Hasalaga Pohami. So that name is there, that is not bold, and you can see the disk. But if I have changed here the type disk into circle, what will happen? A circle will be added to the, so you can see here circle, and here you can use square tool. Right? File, save. So we'll refresh. So you can see the square has applied. So what you can use in unordered list, so you can use three things. Disk is the default. Okay, then you can use the square as well as you can use what? Square and circle. Okay, so here you are having a paragraph, but I didn't apply that paragraph, right? Then again, what you can do, this one I want to separate this both. For that purpose, I'm using something called HR for horizontal line. Color, I'm giving blue, and size, I'm changing to 5. So the thickness is changing to 5. Thickness is changing to 5. So I'm saving, file save, and a refresh. Refresh. So you can see a line has applied. Okay. So IMGSRC, whatever the image that you want, you can give the path, right? Align center. With that, the image will be centered. Okay. And P align center. So these things you will have to know. Right. So you will, after finishing that, they have given a hyperlink. So what you can do, as you all have mentioned, we can use the tag center for centering something. Then I'm going to use anchor tag AHREF. I want to connect with www.google.com. Right? When you have to connect, when you click here. So I'm closing anchor tag. A means anchor tag. Then you are closing center. Right, now I'm going to save this one, file, save. So I'll refresh here. So here you can see. So if I have click here, it will go to the necessary page and connecting with that. Your file couldn't be accessed. It may have moved to editor or something, right? Okay. So they have given what we have done. I have given href hyperlink reference equal www.google.com, right? A is anchor tag, right? A is anchor tag. Now here, when you move, you can see a hyperlink. You can see a hyperlink. Okay. So when you move, you can see the hand. When you click, it will connect with the necessary web page. Okay, click here, and you are closing the anchor tag. Uh, here A is closing, and with the here you have given center, and you have closed the center tag. Remember about that. Okay, so that is how you can use a hyperlink. Okay, hyperlink means what? It's a connection to another page. It is a connection to another page. So here I have another page, first web page. So we'll see. Give first web page .html. Okay, on the same folder we are having. So we'll see whether it's connecting. Save, refresh, and I'm clicking on this. Yes, it's connecting back. Okay, so what will happen with the help of this one? You can give something. You can link a page to your web page. So here you have the web page. When you click on here, so it will connect with this web page. The name of the page is first webpage.html. So when I clicked on that, what will happen? It will link with this page. Okay, that's all with this one. Okay, so you'll try to understand how to use the code. Okay, how to use the code for that. Right? Is it okay? Right here you have the page, and here you have the code. Okay, this is the code that you are having. Okay, this is the code, right? This is the code, and this is the page. Okay, are you all okay with that? So you all have to familiar with the code. I will give this one to you all. Okay, right. Now what we have to do? Okay, so we have to write. This is left align, right align, right align. So because of that, what you can do? I have given center hyperlink. I have given center. Okay, so what you can do? You have to align that. So you can't use center here, right? I'm using P align right. Okay, after finishing that, what I can do? I can close P, not A, P. So we'll see file save. Now I'm going to my page. That's my page. Refresh. So you can see it has went to the right side. So when you click, you can connect and move it. Okay. So here you have. I think you are okay with that. Okay. Right. So we'll move to the next one. So the next question. So they have given the spreadsheet. Following shows the salary, month, and SLR US dollar 100. Maybe month July, employee number, name, Sasanka Fernando. Earnings they have given US dollars and LK rupees. Basic salary, overtime, other allowances, total they have taken. Deductions from the salary, what kind of deduction is there? So they have taken A, B, C. Okay. So what they have given, Puta, write the function to calculate the total earning in B13. So what is B13? B13 is what? B13 is what? Here. Okay, so this one will be the B13. So how you can write the necessary function? So you have to start with equal sign. Don't write anything, equal. And to add some values, you are using sum, open bracket, equal sum, open bracket. What are the range? So the range is starting from here and ending from here. So that is B10 to 12. B10 to B12. So this will be the answer for this one, first one. They're asking write the formula to calculate the total earnings, B13. Write the formula to calculate the gross salary on C21. What is C21? C21. C21 is here. C21 is here. So how you can find the gross salary? They're asking, right? So here you have the salary, total earnings, total deduction. How you can write the formula? So equal, from this value, you have to subtract the total deduction, then you are getting the gross salary. So equal, what you are doing now, equal C13 minus C, here what will be the deduction? C20. So when you take C13 minus C20, right, you are getting the gross salary. So total income is there, total deduction is there. From total income, total deduction, when we have deduct, you are getting the gross salary. Write the formula to calculate EDF on B23. EPF in B23. So this one they are asking. ETF, they are asking this one. So how you can find 3%, 3% from the gross salary. So what you can do, you can write equal, ETF is calculating using the basic salary. So here we have the basic salary. So basic salary, it is in B10. B10 into 3 divided by 100. So with that, you can find out, okay, you can find out the ETF. This is ETF. ETF 3% they have given. Or you can write equal B10 into 0.03. So if you have written this one, it will be okay. They are asking the formula. Formula means the user defined. So you will put the record into the YouTube channel. Okay. Right, I'll do that. I'm recording, I think. So I'll put that. Find the formula for cell B25. B25 is what? This one. Find the formula for B25 to calculate the net salary. How you can find the net salary? Okay, right? How you can find the net salary? So here you are having 797.60. Then with that, what you are doing, you are deducting the EPF and ETF. So how you can write that for the fourth one, net salary? How you can find the net salary? Okay, net salary. How you can find that? Equal. Then what you have to do? You have to give gross salary is there, 797. So that is in B21. B21 minus, what you have to minus? EPF and ETF. That is 22 and 23. So B22 plus B23. You add in together. So with this, you can find out the net salary. Using the currency conversion in cell E4. E4 is there. E4 is currency. Okay. Currency value is there. Write the formula to convert the basic salary in Sri Lankan rupees. So how you can convert it to basic salary rupees? Use absolute to apply. All right. Then මොකද වෙන්නේ පුතා? මෙන්න මේකෙන් මෙන්න මේක වැඩි වුණාම මෙන්න මේක එන්න ඕනේ. Okay, so I'll use another color. You have a salary. The Sri Lankan rupees is 144 on that time. So they're asking fifth one using the currency conversion in E4. මෙන්න මේ E4 එකේ හරිද? E4 එකේ දීලා තියෙනවා මේකත් එක්ක currency conversion එක කොහොමද කරන්නේ? එහෙනම් මෙතන එක කොහොමද මේක කරන්න පුළුවන්? ඩොලර් එක තියෙනවා. ඩොලර් එක රුපීස් වලින් වැඩි කරලා කොහොමද හොයන්නේ කියන එක. ඒතකොට ඔයාලට දෙන්න පුළුවන් දේ තමයි පුතා equal මෙන්න මේක වැඩි කරන්න ඕනේ equal what is this B10 equal B10 multiplied by what this E4. So you can write dollar $4. Remember that. Why we are using $4? Because when you are dragging මෙතනින් ගිහලා fill handle එක අරගෙන පල්ලෙහාට අදිද්දී මෙන්න මේක වෙනස් වෙන්න බෑ පුතා. මෙන්න මේක වෙනස් වෙන්න බෑ. මේක වෙනස් වෙන්න බෑ. ඒක ඒ විදිහටම තියෙන්න ඕනේ. වෙනස් වෙන්න පුළුවන් මෙතන විතරයි. B10 එක B11 වෙන්න පුළුවන්. නමුත් මේක ඒ විදිහටම තියෙන්න ඕනේ. B12 වෙන්න පුළුවන්. එහෙනම් මේ ළඟ තියෙන එකට අපි කිව්වා මොනවා කියලාද? relative cell reference. But මෙතන එක වෙනස් වෙන්නේ because of that we have called this one absolute cell reference. So what you have to do, you have to take the fill handler. Here this is a fill handler and you have to drag it down. Use the fill handler and dragging it down. Equal sum for what puta? See, no, don't use that because they are asking. Right, that is so Shevon, that is correct. Shevon, that is correct. No, puta, like they are asking the formula, ne? So because of that, don't use sum. Okay, don't use sum. Right. So this is all about the Excel question that they have given. Okay, I think it's clear. If it is not clear, please tell me, send a message, then I'll explain. Okay. Right, clear the drawings. So, okay. If you have anything, yes, you have to ask. Now here you can see, consider the following two tables in relational databases. These are extracted from a school management system, school and the student table. Details and the house table contain house details. Now, when you go through this one, Puta, when you go through this one, sir, could you... sir, could we type ASCII and flow chart for exam? Flow chart is not there, no, Puta? 2017 onwards, they have given a practical exam. So in the syllabus, it was not there. Okay. Yeah. So I'll show you how to use the rank and other things. Huh? So we'll do the database question and we'll move. Right. So here you have the student. Here you have the house. So you can see this H1 house is connected to this one. H1 house is connected to this one. So that means one house. Okay. One record in house is connected to two records in student table. Are you all agree with that? So one record of house table is connected to two records in student table. So we are having many to student and table, many to one relationship. We are having a many to one relationship. How you have taken? A record in the house table is connected to many records in the student table. So because of that, we are calling this is as many to one relationship. Many to one relationship. Try to understand. One record in house table is connected to many records in the student table. So that we are calling as, they have mentioned here, relational database. Relational database means we are having the relation one-to-one relationship, one to many relationship, then many to any relationship. Here we are having this one onto the other side, many to one. Okay, many to one. So what you can see here, the house ID H01 has repeated on the other table. Okay, with the help of the house ID, we have connected the student table with the house table. So house ID will be the primary key. With the help of this primary key, uniquely we can identify a record. So what are the main features of a primary key? It's unique. Primary key means it's unique. Okay, it's unique, not repeating. It's unique, right? And it will help us to search the record. And again, it helps us to search the record. Whatever the important things, write down පුතා. නිකන් අහගෙන ඉඳලා ඇති වැඩක් නැහැ. ලියා ගන්න ඕනේ හැම පොයින්ට් එකක්ම. හරිද? දැන් මම මෙතන කියන්නේ මම දන්න knowledge එකනේ කියන්නේ මට ලියන්න පුළුවන්. But for you all, whatever the important things, write down. නිකන් අහගෙන ඉන්න එපා. විභාගයට මතක් වෙන්නෙම නැහැ. You have to write down. Okay? So it has to be unique as well as the primary key. It has to be not null. Huh? Not null. Not null. Not null means what? Blank values තියෙන්න බෑ. හරිද? හැම house එකකටම ID එකක් තියෙන්න ඕනේ. හැම house එකකට ID එකක් තිබුණොත් තමයි අපිට ඒක වෙන වෙනම හොයාගන්න පුළුවන්. එතකොට primary key එක unique and not null කියන එක මතක තියාගන්න. Then when you consider about the student, you can say student ID S01, S02, S03. So what we can do, we can use the admission number as the primary key. In the student table, admission number can be used as the primary key. So how many fields are there in the student table? 1, 2, 3. 3 fields are there. How many fields are there in the house table? Only 2. 1, 2 fields are there. How many records are there in the student table? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 records are there. 4 records. 3 fields. So in this one, 4 records and 2 fields. So මේක අහලා තියෙනවා කීප සැරයක්ම ඒක වරද්ද ගන්න එපා. ලේසියෙන්ම අපිට උත්තර දෙන්න පුළුවන් question එක. Okay? Yes. Yeah, in the student table, we can take the admission number as the primary key. Okay? Right. Not the house ID. Not the house ID. House ID is a primary key from one table. It has repeated on another table to build up the relationship between the two tables. So what will happen? Here you can write student table, house ID is the foreign key. So this thing you have to write. Okay. In the student table, house ID is the foreign key. Student table, the primary key will be admission number. Remember about that. So what they have given, what is the primary key? What is the primary key? Give examples for primary key with the corresponding table. So what is the primary key? It is a, so how you can write? It is a unique field. We are connect make a disconnect unique field or combination of fields that is used to identify the record uniquely. Okay, right? It is a unique field or combination of fields that is used to identify a record. Okay, that is used to identify a record. So what is the primary key? Primary key is it is an right. It is an unique field or combination of fields that is used to identify a record.